Well, hi everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. As we start off this Tuesday morning, shortly after 7 o'clock, we had some rain and thunderstorms move across southern Nebraska and northern Kansas overnight last night. That's now pushed to our east. Now, there is still some isolated activity in north central Nebraska, also still near the Lincoln area, a little bit of lingering shower and thunderstorm activity. That will become less and less of a factor through the day today. As a warm front pushes eastward, we'll see a lot of sunshine building in after some early clouds, and it's going to be fairly warm today, almost hot for some of you, above average temperatures and a little on the sticky side, especially east of that trough. That's kind of splitting the viewing area in half as you see there. Now late in the day, we may see some thunder shower development off to our northwest, and that will push southeastward overnight tonight. Now, any one area has a chance. This is not a guarantee of getting rain and thunderstorms overnight tonight here, but anything that does fire up, there's a fairly unstable atmosphere, so severe weather not out of the question. But like I said, most of us will likely miss out on thunderstorms tonight. This is going to be a little bit less of a chance than what we've seen the last couple of nights. Getting into tomorrow, then notice the backdoor cool front moving into northeast Nebraska. That'll cool us all down just a little bit for tomorrow. And then later in the day, maybe a few extra clouds across southern Nebraska, northern Kansas, perhaps even a stray shower or thunderstorm. A little more likely into the overnight hours tomorrow night, but even then it's not a guarantee. Again, we're in this environment now where we're going to see these off and on small chances of rain and thunderstorms. The only chance of severe weather, according to the Storm Prediction Center, in our future is tonight, really. It's more for tonight, but pretty much all of us under a marginal threat for severe weather. Again, most of us will not even see storms tonight, but if something were to fire, severe weather is a possibility. Large hail damaging winds look to be the biggest threat. There's a bigger threat for severe weather off to our east, actually, where there's a slight risk across parts of Minnesota, Iowa, Missouri, and then some parts of the bordering states there as well here. Well, let's look at the temperatures for today, which are going to be a little on the toasty side out there, upper 80s and lower 90s this afternoon. That puts us about 10 plus degrees above average for this time of the year. Our average highs are in the upper 70s, so we'll be above that today. Tonight, comparable temperatures to what we've been seeing recently, 50s out west, 60s in the east. And then tomorrow, just a touch cooler, still warm though. Still looking at a lot of 80s, but not quite as warm for most of us compared to today. And then another step down for temperatures on Thursday. A few more clouds, maybe a better chance of rain during the day Thursday. We'll see highs mostly in the low and mid 80s, and it's not out of the question. Maybe there could be a few upper 70s. It's likely actually the coolest temperatures will be to the south, where I'm expecting thicker cloud cover and a slightly better chance of rain. Looking at that long range forecast, like I said, we have a lot of rain chances in the forecast. This does not mean a lot of rain is coming. The chances I have in the forecast for the next 6 days are mostly confined to, or they're mostly only as high as a 30% chance. So that, you flip that around, these chances are all a 70 to 80% chance of being dry. These are not guaranteed chances. Most of it today is going to be dry. Tonight, that small chance. Tomorrow, the morning dry. Tomorrow afternoon, small chance, slightly better chance tomorrow night. Thursday daytime, Friday, still a chance, more likely to the south and southeast. Saturday's best chance is going to be across the east, maybe some lingering activity Sunday as a cold front comes through. But then you'll see, I did go dry conditions on Monday. I know the some forecasts still call for some rain chances Monday. I kept it out of the forecast, as majority of forecast models are keeping us dry at this point. You'll also notice the cooling trend. Temperatures going down almost every one of those days, at least for the next 6 days. Lows still in the 60s, though, indicating that those dew points are still likely going to be a little higher, but temperatures a little less uncomfortable as we get down the road here. And of course, with that cold front coming through Sunday, some models have us in the 60s for highs. Others are delaying the frontal passage until later in the day, which means we may actually make it into the 70s. So I'm going to go kind of split the difference and go lower 70s. It will also be a little breezy once that front comes through. Monday back to the mid 70s, but you'll notice that still long range. Most of next week is going to be a little below average. We're not talking about a major chill, but just a little below average as we push into a good chunk of next week after above average temperatures for the rest of this week. So with that, I will let you all go. Thank you all for watching this morning. That is your forecast, and I'll be back with you bright and early on Wednesday morning to let you know more about what you can expect for the rest of the week ahead. Until then, take care. God bless, and we'll see you later. Bye.